What can I be doing as a first-time buyer to get prepared for a mortgage? So as a first-time buyer, the first thing I would be doing is getting a copy of your credit report. Making sure your credit is fine and there's no issues is really, really important. And also maintaining a good credit score is going to be really important when going for a mortgage. Make sure you've got valid ID and that your address is correct on things like your pay slips, your driving license, as you're going to need to be able to prove your identity, where you live, and what your income is. So making sure that the correct address, correct name on the pay slips is all going to be needed. Typically, most people are going to need a deposit when getting a mortgage, so make sure you've got access to the statements for the bank, as some banks will only allow statements every 3 months. So make sure that you've got regular statements and you can prove where your deposits come from. Speak to your bank or speak to a mortgage broker and get an agreement in principle done as early as possible. By doing this, you know you're in a proceedable position. If you wait until you've found a property, there could be issues that you haven't got time to sort out, so the earlier you do this, the better. By speaking to a broker like myself, we are going to go through the whole process with you. We're going to look at affordability, we're going to tell them how much you can borrow, and you're going to be in the best possible position when you start looking for properties. If you're a first-time buyer and you want to start the process but you've got no idea where to start, please feel free to drop us an email or get in touch through social media and we will help you through the process.